Okay, last one. Let's see. Hours after 8 p.m. So this would be 8 p.m. This would be 2 hours after 8 p.m., so 10 p.m. This would be midnight. I guess the idea here is the temperature some night was going down from 30 degrees to 10 degrees at 10 p.m. And then it was 10 degrees below zero at midnight, and then the temperature started to increase. I don't know why the temperature would start to increase before the sun came up, but I'm not a meteorologist, so maybe there is some scenario that I'm not thinking of. In any case, the rate of change for the first 4 hours, which is another way of saying for this first line segment where the slope is negative, is negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. Then when the temperature starts increasing for this line segment, for the next 8 hours after the first 4 hours, you get a positive slope, positive 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. If we were calculating this for this first line segment, I would use these 2 points. So I'll label this line segment A and this line segment B. For line segment A, we know we've got a downhill slope, so we're expecting a negative slope. Using these 2 points, I went from 30 degrees Fahrenheit to negative 10. That's a change in Y of negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. 30 minus negative 10 is 40, or negative 10 minus 30 is negative 40. But if I go from 30 degrees, positive 30 to negative 10, I've decreased 40 degrees Fahrenheit in temperature. And then getting to this point right here, I've increased the number of hours by 4. So positive 4 hours. 40 divided by 4 is 10, but a negative divided by positive is negative. So that's why we get the negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. Line segment B, where the temperature starts to go up over time, a positive slope, delta Y over delta X. I'm going to use this point because that point is on line segment A and line segment B, and I'm going to use this point. And so going from this point to this point, I'm increasing by 20 degrees Fahrenheit over 8 hours. From 4 hours to 12 hours would be an increase of 8 hours. 20 and 8 both have a common factor of 4. So make this a 5 and this a 2. And 5 halves is 2.5, so 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. Positive divided by positive is positive, so positive slope on that one. That was down here somewhere, right here, and the negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit per hour is right here. If you did all of the, if you crossed them all out correctly, here are the letters you get at the end. What does it take to win a tug of war? A bunch of big jerks. All right, thank you. Class dismissed.